In this particular section, we will see how to use ChatGPT to do the data analysis. Let's say I have a particular data file and I want it to be analyzed on ChatGPT first, and then I can take a look and I can put my further critical thinking on it. So let's say you got already the data set, or if you don't have the data set, then what you can do is this is a great site, Kaggle.com. It provides versatile of data files which researchers and other people use. So for an example, what I'll do is I'll use COVID-19 fatality data, COVID-19 fatality data set, which I will use to understand and go further. So you can see this is the data file, data underscore global.csv. Um, 5.9 million. That's it, which you can download from here from Kaggle. So let's just see the download. So you ask me to sign in. You can use the account you have already, not and create a login. You can use the Google account if you're logging already. Download the data set, and I'm downloading the data set here, and that here. Now what I'll do is I'll extract that file in a particular place, and this is my extracted file now, right? That you can do. I expect that everyone is okay with that. The thing, data underscore global underscore data. I got this entire data. You can open that and you can see what's there within, right? So the country name, different countries in the alphabetical order, then the death, right, and so on. That the date and number of deaths, so on, and then there are all the fields, correct? So there are vertical fields now, which I want to analyze, right? So what I'll do is I'll go to ChatGPT now, and I will drop this file here. I will drop this file here. Give me a moment. My one account got limit. It's a free account, so I cannot get it again. So I'll log into other account and try to show you that feature, right? So what I'll do is I'll go to ChatGPT with this data set. I'll go to ChatGPT with this data set and bring that data set here. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to analyze that data now. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'll ask it, analyze and interpret the given data. I'll ask ChatGPT to analyze and interpret the given data. So now it will start doing the analysis and interpretation, what it thinks about this data, applying the critical thinking algorithm. So now you can see it is giving the analysis in detailed version. It is giving the detailed version, right? I can ask to identify the trend from the given data also. I can ask it to identify the trend in the given data also. It will give me the trend. We will take a look if it gives me the graph, visuals, and other things if I can play, right? So it is still analyzing. Now I'll say start some. Oh, great! It's doing it automatically, right? If it doesn't, you should be asking it plot some graph. So here you can see it has analyzed the data, trends, everything, and it says cumulative death, global cumulative death, and it is analyzing that. With the days, initially it was rising, and after some time it was settled because all the exchange, right? So daily death also is provided in different analysis here, different curves, different graphs, and what it's doing. It's pretty much good. So it gives me initial set of analysis which I can use it further, which I can use it further. That was all about using ChatGPT for data analysis. Thanks for your time.